Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 19th to 23rd January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So yeah, this is a chart of Euro USD. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So in Euro USD we can see 0.09% negative move. 1.15984 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a medium body and a big upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 3049 level, which is indicating as a sideways or a range bound momentum in Euro USD. So now I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So let's open a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 1.15984 is the closing here. The direct support is 1.15706 and direct resistance is 1.16000. After direct support, there is a support of 1.5500 and then 1.15079. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. Direct resistance, there is a 1.16208 and then 1.16457. So these are two important support and resistance zone. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. If you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also recently I have partnered with 8 cap challenges. So here recently I have got a 100k account, so I am currently passing that account as well, and you can also try the 8 cap challenge on the I have given the link in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded as well, so you can try that. And I also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from the prop firm. Also, let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. Currently my expectation is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.162082 to 1.1645. So I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you are going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.15706 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 1.5500. Even you can go for a short till. If this gets breached, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.